Well, hello folks, it is Eric here for GMODISM, and we're gonna put in a SIM card in an iPhone. And here is everything we need: a SIM card, a little clip like this, or you can use a proper extractor that works too. What you basically do is you just insert this little clip here, or the extractor, in this little pinhole, and you can remove this tray very easily. Then you have the SIM card, you just put it in the tray, and guess what? You just put it back like that. Very nice. So some new iPhones may only have eSIM, and if you're having an eSIM, it's a completely different process. This is for iPhones that have a SIM tray. If your iPhone doesn't have a SIM tray, well, then you probably have one of those eSIM models. Now you have the capability to unlock your phone. You need to unlock the phone. And now, sorry, it's in Swedish, but it's the SIM card is locked, so you have to write in the PIN. And I'm just gonna do like this and write in the SIM that says on the card and click OK. There we have it. So now you can go into settings or whatever you want to do and set up this phone on mobile network. See that the different settings are however you want them to be. Well, I hope that helps you get going with your new phone or your new SIM card. This has been your host, Eric from GMODISM. Subscribe, I'll see you next time.